Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. This is my Emco Maximat Mentor 10 lathe and mill combo. It's made in Austria. It's single phase, 115 volts. The lathe has a 2-speed motor. The mill has a single speed motor. Has 4 different spindle speeds. Comes with the ER32 collet chuck. For the lathe, I have a faceplate, 4-way tool post, and a tailstock keyless drill chuck. The lathe appears to be in really good condition. The paint is in pretty good shape. The compound hasn't been crashed. The ways don't show a lot of wear or abuse. Oh, it's got a carriage stop on it too. So there's low speed. We're going 350 RPM right now. We kick it up. We'll get 630. And for low speed, this will be 60. And the higher speed is 120. Let's go ahead and try the power feed. So we'll speed her back up. There we go. There's the power longitudinal feed. Power cross feed. Threading. Hand feed. All your different thread pitches and feed rates. And to start the mill spindle, and it looks like we are at 940. No, that's not right. 420. Let's go ahead and speed her up a little bit. We got 770. We don't have the quill handle for it. Raise and lower the head. Have a good day.